Welcome to MVP Autos, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive excellence. If you love speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The wait is over. Porsche has officially unveiled the next generation 2025 Porsche 918, a new benchmark in hypercar engineering. This masterpiece blends extreme performance with state-of-the-art hybrid technology, taking inspiration from its legendary predecessor while pushing boundaries further than ever before. The design is unmistakably Porsche, with a low-slung stance, wide fenders, and an aerodynamically sculpted body that screams speed. Active aerodynamics play a key role, dynamically adjusting to enhance downforce or reduce drag, ensuring optimal performance whether on the track or the road. The lightweight carbon fiber construction keeps weight to a minimum while maximizing strength and agility. Under the hood, this beast houses a newly developed hybrid powertrain, combining a high-revving V8 engine with advanced electric motors. Together, they produce an astonishing 1,000-plus horsepower, delivering blistering acceleration and an electrified all-wheel drive system for maximum grip. The instant torque from the electric motors ensures a neck-snapping launch, while the internal combustion engine provides that signature Porsche roar. Step inside, and you're greeted with a futuristic cockpit that perfectly blends luxury and performance. The driver-focused design features a fully digital instrument cluster, a cutting-edge infotainment system, and motorsport-inspired bucket seats. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide the ultimate driving experience. Performance-wise, the new Porsche 918 sets new records. A 0 to 60 mph time of under 2.5 seconds and a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour make it one of the fastest hypercars ever produced. Thanks to Porsche's latest advancements in battery technology, the electric range has also been significantly improved, allowing for short bursts of emissions-free driving without sacrificing performance. Porsche has taken everything they learned from the original 918 and their motorsport heritage to create a machine that isn't just fast but also intelligent. The latest AI-driven driving modes adapt in real time to different driving conditions, optimizing power delivery, suspension settings, and aerodynamics for peak performance. The next generation 2025 Porsche 918 is not just a car, it's an engineering marvel, a statement of power, and a glimpse into the future of hypercars. With limited production numbers, it's destined to be a collector's dream, pushing Porsche's legacy of performance to new heights. That's all for today's deep dive into the stunning new Porsche 918. What do you think of this next generation hypercar? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love automotive content, make sure to subscribe to MVP Autos for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.